Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. I don't have any jewelry on. Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and this here is Miss Callie Cat. Y'all, today's a big day. Today, well, the day this is going to air, is my birthday. So happy birthday to me. I am 42 years old today, and I'm going to do a giveaway. I have been putting off my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and we're going to do it today. I'll let it run for a week. All the normal rules will apply. You know, you must be 18 years or older or have permission from a parent. You must live in the lower 48. You must use my secret word, which I will say at some point in the midst of all of this fun that we are having. Because I'm going to show you everything I'm going to give away, and boy, is it going to be good. Oh, boy, is it going to be good. All right. I'll list them all below. Disclaimers, you know, I'm not responsible for the package once it gets to the post office. If something happens to it in transit, I am really sorry, but I can't replace it. I will give you tracking information. I can't be held responsible for anything, any allergic reaction or bad reaction you have to what I give you. Please pay attention to the ingredients and always do a test spot to see if you're going to have a reaction to new products. Everything else is going to be down below because I'm probably missing a whole bunch of stuff. You must also be publicly subscribed to my channel, which is free to do, by the way. So it's absolutely free for you to enter this giveaway. I will post the winner in a week-ish. It will at least run a week. Sometimes I go a little over if my life goes crazy, because you know it normally does, like it is right now. Let me just move this text away. Yeah. Also, we have a few people we need to pray for. Today, one of our loyal subscribers is going into surgery. I'm not going to mention names because I didn't get permission, but just send prayers out to people, y'all. Send prayers out for those people who are having illness, fighting things, fighting depression, things like that. She's not in depression, but I know somebody else who is, and I'm praying for you too. I'm praying for all of you. If you let me know, I put you on a prayer list, not just by me, but my hubby, my best friend, my best friend's hubby. We really do the prayer circle. Well, not circles together, but you know, we prayer warriors. We pray. And I hope that's okay with you, but we love you and we want everybody to be healthy and happy, and just keep your prayers out for her because I'm really worried about her. Anyway. Yeah. That's how it's going for me today. Text after text after text after text. I think my niece has COVID. Pray for her too, please. Let's just get into the giveaway. Oh my goodness, Callie. She's pushing on my hand. She's like, hey, pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me. Do y'all have one of those pets? One of those pets that you could just, you know, make dance or play with their mouth or whatever, and they're like, okay, Mom, I still love you. That's Callie. Let's look at what's in this giveaway. So me and my buddy, we pulled out all my stuff that I've been collecting for giveaways lately. I'm actually going to do 2 of them because I know I have men who follow me and international people who follow me. I believe this will work, what I have intended. One person, I'm going to use a special word for it, will get the goodie box. The other person will have a different special word, and you're going to get to pick $100. I'll either send it to you through Cash App or I'll send it to you through Venmo. That way you'll get a good gift. It gives everybody, because you know the men folks, they don't want all these makeup and such, and I completely understand that, but it gives everybody a way to win. And I want to really thank y'all so very much for following me, for sticking with me, for understanding my health issues, my family issues, my kitty issues. And y'all just mean the world to me, and I hope you know it. And there it goes again. Let's look. Callie's like, oh, Mom's moving her hands. Gotta move. Gotta be excited. All right. So I'm going to put this, it's going to be prettier, but you're going to get the Steve Madden purse. and everything that I have stuffed inside of it. Let me just pull it out for you. Hang on. All right, so I got stuff there. There's still stuff in the purse. It's just stuck everywhere. I just wanted to show you the inside of the purse. There is a little clutch along with it, which is also stuffed full. So I'm going to do this a little at a time because it took some maneuvering. So you're going to get all these. This is a hair mask from Bubble and Bumble. I love it. I'm not, actually, it's a defining cream. I actually think I used this today. I love Bumble and Bubble. I love their masks. So you can get that. There's also another hair mask in here. This one, what Moisture Boost is what it is. It's Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E, moisturize and boost protein pack for intense moisturization of your hair. I'm going to give you some Wet Spot Dot Disciple. These are these, you know, the stickers you put on the pimples. You're going to get a couple face masks. This one is Plantist Face Mask Radiant Facial Brightening. And this one is Keep Calm Smooth Sheet Masks. Or Stay Calm, I'm sorry. Smoothing Sheet Masks by Give Them Lala. So you're going to get some masks. I'm going to put that back in there. Now, in the clutch purse. Let me see. Got to get all this out too. This is kind of my little sample bag for y'all. And it's also got a zippy on the inside of it too. So I'm throwing in some lip smackers. This is the Coca-Cola Vanilla. You're going to get a couple CeraVe. This is a hydrating facial cleanser, the daily moisturizer. You're going to get some hand sanitizer from Find Your Happy Place. Some Burt's Bees facial cleanser. This is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So you're going to get a bunch of samples in here. There's a note. I put a little note in there. There's some lashes from Bee Bella Cosmetics. There's a little sample of Sagely Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. And this Lumify. Now, be careful, if you have contacts, don't put it in over your contacts. You have to take your contacts out, put it in, wait at least 10 minutes, and then you can use it. I'm not going to try it because I do wear contacts all the time. But it's supposed to brighten up your eyes. It's from Bosch & Lomb, which I think that's the brand I use of contacts. So in this little baggie, just for extra protection, I do have a nail polish in here. This is Color Love, the Future of Color. It's a nail lacquer, and it is a very pretty gold. Also putting in some Rocksbox jewelry. These are, what were these? David Aubrey, handmade in the USA. Very cute. They are a little heavy, or actually a little bit bigger of a stem than I will wear. So I'm putting those in there for you. I can't remember how much they were, but I'm thinking it was at least a $40 value. Everything that you're getting, I either purchased from out of my own pocket or I got it in a box, a subscription box. So nobody is affiliated, or not Amazon, YouTube. None of the brand companies are affiliated with this giveaway. I'm going to put this Badass Habits book in here for you so you have a little reading. You're going to get some lotion from Spongelle. I am affiliated with Spongelle, but I still did buy this with money from my own pocket. This is the Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. Oh, so nice. You're going to get a set of brushes. This is from La Rouge. I love this brush set. I use this brush set personally. I take it. I travel with it. I really love this brush set. So you're going to get that too. And it is a set. I think there's 5 in there. I'm not 100% sure, but I didn't want to open it. You're going to get a Spongelle. This is Freesia Pear. It's so nice, y'all. I love Spongelle. Like I said, I'm affiliated, but I did buy this with money from my own pocket. This purse is so nice. It's like that faux suede on the inside and kind of leathery on the outside. It's so nice. I'm going to give you this Dew of the Gods. What is this? This is Fiji Fuji. This I also have in my own bathroom, but this one is brand new, never been opened. It's blue when it goes on, so your husband's gonna make fun of you, but it does make your skin feel really nice. It's a collagen whip with vitamin mask. Pricey too, but y'all are worth it. I'm gonna put you a hair wrap in there. Every girl needs a hair wrap for after the shower. These are so good for it. This is by Daily Concepts. I haven't tried this particular one, but oh, y'all have to let me know if it's good or not. I love a good wrap. A little ipsy baggie full of goodies. I tried to cover all the bases, y'all. I don't know if I got everything, but I tried. So you're gonna get a glow recipe. These is the Niacinamide Glow Dewdrops. Love the stuff. Actually wore it today like a serum. Love glow recipe. And that watermelon, it smells so good. You're gonna get this Badass MA. This is the She's a Bad Mother Shut Your Mouth lip liner. Yep. My absolute favorite mascara, Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Cosmetics. I am affiliated, but I just really like the mascara. So I'm going to put one of these in there as well. This is the sample size. This is Intense Pitch Black, by the way. I'm going to put a brow gel in there from Ico. I said it wrong. This is a clear brow gel, but you know, we got to tame them brows somehow, right? I'm going to put this Tula Skincare 24/7 moisturizer in there. I do like Tula a lot. This is Iconic London. This is a sheer blush. It's in the color Rose Riot. I do like a sheer blush sometimes, so this is awesome. And this is Honest Beauty, the liquid lipstick Love with New. It's called Love with New. Lovely. Anyway, so a lipstick. All right, and this is the big and bad, y'all. This is the expensive, besides the purse. It's Michaela's First palette, and it is beautiful. It's brand new. Now, I opened it to make sure nothing was broken, but that's it. It's gorgeous. It's so good. This is from Glamlite. I love Glamlite shadows. They are just so nice. Now, that is what's going to be in the giveaway. And of course, whoever wins, if you say, hey, I don't like blush, or I don't like lipstick, or whatever it is, I'll take that out. I'll put something different in. If there's something you were like, oh, I really wish I could have, if I have it on hand, we'll see what we can do about that. I do like to try to make them customizable. But this is a big old giveaway, y'all, right? And the purse is so nice. Steve Madden bag, y'all. Woo. By the way, I'm going to throw this in here. This is padding, and I'm just going to wrap some stuff in it. But these work for a color switch for your brushes when you're doing your makeup. Just so you know. Just so you know. If you want to win the purse, you have to use the word purse in there. P-U-R-S-E. That is how I will know that you want the purse. If you want to win the gift card, the money from Cash App or from Venmo, just say money. M-O-N-E-Y. So there are your two words that will allow you to win one or the other. I really hope y'all have enjoyed the channel. I hope you keep enjoying the channel. I really hope you give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share with your friends. Tell your friends about the channel and encourage them to subscribe as well. Like I said, subscribing is free and it does mean the world to me. There is a little button down there. It is called the Super Thanks. It's like giving a tip to us as creators. All proceeds from Super Thanks are going to go to making the new studio and filming equipment. So I really do appreciate it if you do that. And I also will give you a shout out. It helps your comments stand out more as well. There's a notification bell down there so that you don't miss a beat on this channel and you get to know when everything is coming out. I really appreciate y'all so very much. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you participate. I love you so very much. So does Miss Cali Cat, even though she's knocked out in my lap at the moment. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.